The season is about to end and we want to get to 200k subscribers. Bafethu siyanicela, please subscribe. We are left with only 1 month. Can we do it? I believe we can. Welcome to MFNZO TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Gustavo.
Sithibo. Yeah, Sithibo man, yeah. Kubi. Sawa nokugqoka ama-mask Sithibo. Sawa nokugqoka ama-mask. Funa basibone.
Yeah.
Bangathi siyabaleka Sithibo. Sikhona lana social media interview bangathi siyabaleka bo-Bull KG.
Nathi Chiefs anithembi wena nomnisi.
Basithi Chiefs siyayithemba bhuti suke siyithembele ukuthi ngasinike iwin but bo-Bull KG abathumeki yeah akusibantu ongabathuma man ukuthi le GNU Bull KG fanele GNU masiyibamba ibambeke kahle manje ngathi niyayilahla
bavele bajike
le 3 points besonika yona next season but ke Sithibo singene egamini Sithibo
hlabahla
yeah man I'm happy but proud man I'm happy Nyana and disappointed slightly to correct myself.
Yes.
Yabo, it was an entertaining game from an entertainment perspective.
Yes.
Everyone was on their feet.
Yes.
Everyone was feeling the thrill of the game when Kaizer Chiefs fans were enjoying it.
Yes.
Pirates fans were enjoying it. Sundowns fans were enjoying the game from an entertainment perspective.
Yes.
When it was sort of end-to-end stuff.
Yeah.
But you look at the first half for Mamelodi Sundowns, was not pretty. It was not beautiful.
Yeah.
And that's why credit goes to Team Kaizer Chiefs. They were nice on the press. They were aggressive going to press Mamelodi Sundowns. Hence how the game came about. They pressed Williams, skied the ball, and they managed to capitalize from that. It's Team Kaizer Chiefs. That's why you need to give them credit. And the Sundowns, in terms of fluidity, it was not necessarily there in the first half. In terms of aggression and fast progression of the ball, it was not really there when the build-up was slow, progressing the ball forward was very slow, and that's why you see the differences between the two halves. You know, Ubuga first half, he played Fana Nozwane and Alende. In terms of progression, they were slightly slowing down the team because you needed to put a lot of balls behind defense Kaizer Chiefs because they were pressing. They had players to do exactly that, but those players, in terms of how they progress the ball, and slow, it's short passes. You know, and you need people to play balls behind the back of Elon Tuzanti, defense Kaizer Chiefs for Leon Matthews, and we saw them trying those types of balls, and unfortunately did not work out for us because we had a lopsided attack. We were attacking only on the left hand side. You needed some sort of width, you needed a player in that right hand side. And the coach second half he rectified the mistakes that he had in starting 11, rectified the mistakes by bringing Santos and Morena, and you can see the difference between Santos, maybe no Zwane, between Alende, maybe no Morena on the pitch. No width on that right hand side, no width on that left hand side, no Matthews, and you have your striker, which means you have more players to play the ball behind two. And Nuno is the perfect player. If you look at Nuno when he came on, the ball was moved as quickly as possible. He gets the ball, he progresses the ball. Unlike taking a lot of touches when Sithibo. That's what we needed. Hence, you look at the goal. We get the ball, we progress the ball, and we put the ball in the back of the net to Sithibo. Nice cross from Morena. Those are the types of things that we needed. The aggression going forward, the speed going forward. That's what we needed when Sithibo. As the game went on, we got the goal. The game went on with that sort of aggression, but it started to get very, very, very ugly. Emotions were very, very high. Yeah, bese kapana Sithibo, bese kushaya inyawa, bese kudlalwa ikarate, ikung fu le yabona coach wadu Sithibo. Yeah, bese kudlalwa yona le kung fu wena Sithibo, which is not beautiful to see. Players need to care for each other. Because what we saw today here from Abo Adams, Abo Ndlovu, very, very ugly football. I can't even define it as football. It's karate, like coach wadu said, wena Sithibo. Yeah, not suspect. You have to think for players going to the World Cup. Everyone that was playing here, Kaizer Chiefs players, Mamelodi Sundowns players, they are all national assets. Coach Chuko Prost at the end of the day, he has to pick from some of those players to see Cupido walking off, whereby you think this season has performed. For me, one of the best defenders in the Betway Premiership. To see him walking off, it's not nice. To see him walking off with a stretcher is not nice. Those are some of the players that are representing us. And Coach Chuko Prost now short of players. You know, sort of short of players, Stivo. So our players need to do better, Stivo. Still leading Pirates by 3 points. But yeah, we're not managing 100 goals there. We're it will work for them when Stivo. But we vala Stivo, Makosi. Good luck, Bafethu. So we're sonke ku CAF. So qualify for a CAF Light. It was a good point here. This season it showed progress for Kaizer Chiefs. 6 points in the previous season for Mamelodi Sundowns. Only 2 points Sundowns got from Isimefana Nelontuzan. The Kaizer Chiefs, it shows the progression. Marcos, good luck on the rest of the season. See you again in CAF Light while we go play the big boys competition. You know, join Anabo, Durban City. That's where Kaizer Chiefs is. Is at the level of Durban City for now. But next coming season, do better, guys. Do better.
Now, see, but they will know that goal difference is very important.
Vale, Stivo.